My name is Angela Scanlon and I am the co-founder of FRKL, which is a jewellery brand that is customisable and maximalist and mix and match and, I mean, quite fabulous, really. Am I allowed to say that? It's spelled FRKL, but it is pronounced FRKL, like a freckle. I love excess. I love the idea of layering and personalising and customising a piece. But I also love the idea of things that work really hard. In my makeup bag, I want a blush that works on my eyes and my lips as well. I want my jewellery to work hard as well. So I have created a system of jewellery. There are multiple base pieces, bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and then a ton of charms that you can choose from depending on what you want to say, depending on what you want to celebrate, a moment that you want to kind of capture. And then you can wear them on the necklaces, take them off, pop them on your hoops, layer them up, mix and match. Mismatch is how I like to wear them. I'm never matching an earring. Go nuts, basically, and express yourself. What we want is for everybody to see FRKL and wear it in a way that's entirely unique to them.